guys, so I'm gonna show you guys an overview of my setup and really quick. So I have this setup right here. This is like the main focus when you first walk into my room. I have the hammock, one of the stairways, both of these shelves, and then they can go up here to their cat tree. I have the bridge, I have two more of these rods, and then I have the little tiny hammock here. So what I was trying to convey in my message, I purchased an extra one of these stairs that I have no use for, only because I've noticed that my cats like to go downward instead of having to go upward. It's very weird. But I was hoping that you, I believe it's FUKUMARU. I'm hoping that you guys can work with me in terms of exchanging that product to getting either the bridge to where I can connect going downward or so, and then maybe the house that you guys sell as well, or maybe getting the activity tree that can go just like that. That's what I'm hoping to fill in that space with. But yeah, so I'm hoping that you guys can work with me on that. And other than that, I absolutely love your products. I'm planning on buying them anyways, the ladder and the activity tree, for the plain wall that I have here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for providing these products and making my cat's dreams come true. Bye bye.
But if you're looking for someone to question, try Duncan Walton.
Why would he break into the pub?
I'm not suggesting he did. But last night's patrol does record that Duncan was seen leaving his house at 1 a.m. Strange for him to be out so late, but maybe he saw your intruder.
So, what do you think?
I think we need to watch Ingrid.
Think Adrian was there all night?
Call the station. See if forensics found anything at the pub. I'll talk to Duncan Watt.
I didn't see Ingrid. I was quick thinking.
What did I tell you about the pub?
Stay away.
Define me like that again, and I'll run you out of my village. Got it?
Negli Stati Uniti viene testato il primo deodorante roll-on.
1989.
No.
1969.
Bisogna andare ancora più dietro. 1952, ispirandosi al meccanismo della penna a sfera, se ci pensi il roll-on è come se fosse una penna che si può utilizzare, bella grande, anche come deodorante. Allora Giulia, tu mi sfida.
Unfortunately. Yes. Let you go. Have to leave the light on in the night time because the sun comes out quick.
The only installation issue I have is that I can't fit my cordless drill driver in there to, get a flush drill. I do have a corded electric screwdriver that fits with a lot less torque, so I'll be able to make it work, but, pre-drill your holes.
Did you?